Hello, welcome to the channel. It's Crypto Lamb, aka Andy here, and today I'm going to be taking a look at Ethereum. But first, I just wanted to address my last video where I said that Bitcoin was going to 40k. I went long, I miscalculated. I completely forgot about the CME. So we started to drop, and we could potentially still fill that CME gap. And yeah, I closed my long because I'm a complete moron and I completely overlooked something very, very basic indeed. So my mistake, and I'm gonna move on from that, and we're gonna take a look at Ethereum. I moved all of my money into Ethereum because yesterday at around, well, yeah, basically yesterday evening, Ethereum started to go parabolic and go just monster bull run. So now we kind of reached the top of that at around 1482, and we started to go into a little bit of a downturn from that point, and that's why I have this very little channel here. That's why I have this little channel here showing the downside today. So from around 1:30 in the morning UTC +1, Ethereum started to drop off and go through its natural cycle. If you, by the way, if you actually look at the daily chart for Ethereum, we've been in quite a little bit of a bull zone for a while now, since the first second of January. So we've been going parabolic ever since then. So I think ultimately Ethereum is the one to hold right now. If you don't hold Ethereum, now would be a good time to do it. You can do that on the exchange on Bybit, by the way. You can just click on the exchange button. If you're holding BTC, then you can just go ahead and swap that into ETH, and it takes seconds. It's so easy to do. So for now, we are in this upward trend, this upward channel here, which I have drawn with inside the bigger uptrend here. So you can see on the daily view we have this very, very nice upward channel, and that we have this very nice upward channel, which realistically we've been doing for quite some time, but it's just made some serious monster moves more recently, as we all know. So I'm just going to go back over to the 1 hour view over here and see what's happening on a little bit of a shorter time scale. So right now, like I said to you, we are in this kind of downward channel right now, which is why we have kind of hit this point there. And we could be seeing this go down to around 1380, with the very bottom of that, I believe, being around 1370. So if we were to drop below 1370 today, then we end up invalidating my lovely green channel here, and we have to draw a new one, which is really, really inconvenient. But for now, we are within the parameters that I like to see. So I still think personally we are going to continue this bull run with ETH, which is why I've put all of my crypto into ETH at the moment, and I'm just going absolute all in on Ethereum, and I feel you should probably do the same if you aren't already. If you disagree with me, tell me in the comments why. Andy, you're completely nuts. Why are you going all in on ETH? It's going to zero. No, it's not going to zero at all. So ultimately, I think we got a little bit of a bull flag forming here on the 1 hour, and I think we are going to push higher again, with the top of the channel being around 1534. But right now we're seeing some indecisiveness. Why are we seeing indecisiveness, Andy? Well, it's very easy. We just head over to tensorcharts.com and take a look. Like I said, that looks like a very nice bull flag indeed, and we are going to see a nice upward turn very shortly. But for now, the bears have it in the short term. So if we go over and look at the real-time data on the Tensor charts, which you have to pay for, by the way, but it is very useful to utilize, we can see right now that the indecisiveness is purely because of the buy and sell walls pretty much being parallel to each other, with the sell walls being at around at the moment they've kind of weakened at around 1414. So 1414 is the approximate location for the sell walls. Buy walls are down at 1397, so basically 1400 there. So we're kind of in this channel of indecisiveness. Are we buying? Are we selling? Right now the buys are starting to gain a lot more strength against the sells. So I think ultimately, especially with this very nice green upward momentum here, we are ultimately looking at the bulls winning this one. So if we break above this channel here, which is approximately 1415, 1,415-ish. Once we break above that, then we will continue our uptrend today with a very nice trade coming in for me if I place a long. Once we break above this red dotted line that I've put here at 14.14, I will place a trade then to go to around the midline here, which is around 14.50, 14.60, which is where I will set my take profit target. However, what I will do is kind of loosely watch that, because ultimately with this being a bull flag, we could easily pump up to around 15.30 today. So I'm going to manually monitor and just micromanage that trade all the way up to my take profit here at 15.35. So like I said, it looks like the bears are starting to lose and the bulls are starting to win in the short term with this very, very cool real-time fight that we can see going on here. Absolute bull flag happening. So what's your decision? Are you going long or are you going short on ETH? What's your reason for doing so? Don't you have any idea what you're doing? If you don't, you can join the ProfitSniper.co group. Right now it's only 0.025 BTC, which is an absolute steal, because after the first 100 people that join from now, we are changing the price and it's going to be a lot more expensive. It's basically going to be 0.1 BTC for the entire package. So get it for an absolute steal right now at 0.025 BTC. Get all of the indicators, all of the training, all of the technical analysis, and much, much more. Plus the Discord group as well, which is a great bunch of folks. We've got some very talented people in there that will teach you how to trade, teach you how to use the indicators, teach you how to do your own technical analysis. We also provide technical analysis as well as teaching you how to do it, and so much more. It's such a valuable group. And we don't shill any other indicators, we don't shill any other groups. This is literally for us, and we do incredibly well out of it. Some of our group members have made some life-changing sums of money, and if you want to join the ranks of those that have, then sign up today. ProfitSniper.co, all the links are in the description. I'm too busy looking at the tensor chart right now, seeing the direction of Ethereum and, you know, what this indecisive candle is going to do, because it's really annoying. I just want to see that pump. But we will see what happens as we go forward. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you look forward to the next... Why am I closing the video? I haven't picked the winner. I'm supposed to be giving somebody $100 today and I've completely forgotten. My brain just completely died on me there. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to pause for a second while I look for a random name picker. So if you weren't aware, in the last video I said I was giving away $100 worth of BTC, and I'm going to use this random comment picker here to help me find the winner. So if you aren't aware, what I did in my last video was ask you to use my link bybit.cm to sign up to Bybit, create an account, and then comment below with your UID below the video, and I would pick a winner. Look at that, I'm doing the competition at the same time as ETH breaking up, just as I said. So we've broken above that channel now and we are heading towards that midline. I'm going to hurry up so I can place a trade. I said to you all that you would need to sign up to bybit.cm, get your UID, leave your comment below, and you will be in the running to win $100 worth of BTC. And you have to be in the Profit Sniper free group in order to redeem this as well. So once I call out your name in this video, head over to the free Profit Sniper group so that I can then talk to you and obviously pass you your winnings. So let's start. So yeah, out of all of the people that left a comment, it was a total of 66 different unique comments there, and the person that won this one here with a nice comment for me, good TA Andy, keep up the good work, thank you very, very much. It's Dominica Ostras. Dominica, well done. Make sure you're in the Profit Sniper free Discord channel so that I can pay you your $100 worth of BTC. And we're going to do the same again for this video as well. If you want to be able to win $100 worth of BTC, just like Dominica, then you need to make sure that you reply under this video with your UID from Bybit. But the account that you create with Bybit must be created using my link, bybit.cm. I will see you in Discord. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Let me know how you get on with this ETH trade as well. Like I said, with it breaking out now, my target was going to be around the 14.50 mark for the mid-level there, but I think I'm too late to the party now to join in that trade because I was too busy making a video for you. So anyway, see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.